Here are the general steps to use Nordvpn. 1. Sign up for Nordvpn. Go to the Nordvpn website and sign up for a subscription plan. You will need to provide your email address and payment information to complete the process. 2. Download and install the Nordvpn app. After signing up, download the Nordvpn app for your device from the Nordvpn website or the App Store. 3. Log in to Nordvpn. Open the Nordvpn app and log in using the account details you created during sign-up. 4. Connect to a server. Choose a server location from the list of available options and click the Connect button. Nordvpn will establish a secure connection to the server. 5. Browse the internet. Once you're connected to a server, you can browse the internet as usual. Nordvpn will encrypt your internet traffic and protect your online privacy. 6. Disconnect from Nordvpn. When you're finished using Nordvpn, simply click the Disconnect button in the app to end a secure connection. Nordvpn offers a variety of features to its users. Some of the key features of Nordvpn include: 1. Strong encryption. Nordvpn uses military-grade encryption to protect your internet traffic from prying eyes. 2. Large server network. Nordvpn has over 5,500 servers in 59 countries, which provides users with a lot of options for accessing content from around the world. 3. No logs policy. Nordvpn has a strict no logs policy, which means they don't store any information about your online activity. 4. Automatic kill switch. Nordvpn has an automatic kill switch that disconnects your internet connection if the VPN connection drops, which helps prevent data leaks. 5. Advanced security protocols. Nordvpn uses advanced security protocols like OpenVPN, AK2/IPsec, and WireGuard to ensure your data is protected. 6. Double VPN. Nordvpn offers a double VPN feature that encrypts your internet traffic twice for an extra layer of security. 7. Obfuscated servers. Nordvpn offers obfuscated servers that help users bypass internet censorship and access restricted content. 8. Peer-to-peer sharing. Nordvpn allows peer-to-peer sharing on certain servers, which is great for users who want to download or share large files. 9. Ad and malware blocker. Nordvpn includes a CyberSec feature that blocks ads and malware for an improved browsing experience. Overall, Nordvpn is a feature-rich VPN service that offers a wide range of tools and features to help users protect their online privacy and security. The price of Nordvpn depends on the length of the subscription and the plan you choose. The longer the subscription, the lower the monthly cost. Here are the current pricing options for Nordvpn. Additionally, Nordvpn offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try the service risk-free and cancel for a full refund if you are not satisfied.